How often do you interact with people who are not of the same sexual orientation as yourself? Question. You live in America. You live in question. You work in a one big establishment as me, you know. See? Let me ask you this. How often do you interact with people who are not of the same sexual orientation as yourself? Don't you work with these people? Don't these people come across you every day? That means you're a fish?
No.
Exactly.
But that's
entertainment industry, bro. You have to come across everybody, dog. Every single. You know, in our entertainment industry like that, and you are come across these people every friggin' day. So now that may I show you, bro, you have to interact with people regardless.
But
the end of the day, bro, you can't judge the man, me can't judge the man. But the end of the day, bro, you can't judge a man by the things where you see. You cannot, if you don't have proof or evidence, bro. Listen, a man probably at the pan a set where listen up, the man probably did the pan a set where he go shoot a music video and the hairstylist happen to be a man, bro. You no can't come and say the man a fish because of X, Y, Z.